Hey everyone, Cassie here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel for another video. Today I'm going to be sharing the release for Trinity stamps for 2023 for January. Super excited about this release. I'm excited about all the releases though because, I mean, obviously I just love their stuff. So let's jump into what we have. I'm just going to grab things. We're going to start with our smaller stamp sets. This is the brand new Brushstroke Bunnies. This does not have a matching die with it, but it does have these cute little bunnies. So they are perfect for the Chinese New Year, but they're also good for Easter. So there is multiple uses for this one. Plus, if you just like bunnies, they're perfect for spring as well. I think this is a cute little set to add to your collection. I don't have cards to share for every one of the new products, but I definitely have plans for all of the products. This is the card I made using our little Brushstroke bunnies. I thought this one was just super fun. It also uses a new embellishment. This one is the Wishing Happiness. So what I love about Trinity stamps is that they always fill their embellishments to the brim. So you're going to get a lot in there. And so there is that one. Okay, next up we have our So RAMENtic. And I have a video for a card that I made using this one, but it's great because not only does it have the fun image, but we also have the steam, and then we have sentiments that say just ramen calm. I'm going to mess this up. Ramen bird, it's your birthday. I made you this RAMENtic card. You're doing superb and instant friends. And we have matching dies for pretty much everything in here. So not only the images, but also the sentiments. And then if you did not see the video, here is the card. And be sure to go back and check out the video. So there's the card I made. It's a 5x7. And then that also uses some newer embellishments. And these are called Good Fortune. And I just think these are super, super cute. So we'll bring in all those embellishments here at the end, but I just have to show you as I use them. All right, next up we have Sucker for You, and this is from the card that I made today for the video hop, so be sure to head back to my channel for that one. And it's got this fun sucker image with the words, I'm a sucker for you, and then it also has hi, be mine, and you and me, and then we've got some X's, we've got some hearts, we also have those hearts, and so basically an outline and then a solid image to go in it. And then we have Happy Valentine's Day, and you have dies for all of those, so that's great too. And then the card that I made for that is this one. So it's an A2 card, but like I said, head back to my channel to watch the video for that one. All right, then we have Sweetheart, and I made a card for this one earlier in the week too, or last week, I guess, for sneak peeks. And then it's the one big image, then we have 3 hearts, and you have dies for all those images. And then that card I made was a little mini card, which I thought was super fun. So you can make all your cute little Valentines with that one. You'll see this one again here when I bring out that product. Then we have Wheelie Cool. It's a fun one. So you've got a race car with the little images to go with it, like flames and smoke, a couple of hearts, lots of sentiments. You make my heart race. You auto be my Valentine. I like the way you roll. You're Wheelie Cool. You're just my speed. Will you be mine? Speeding by to say, and then you've got hi and happy birthday. And then here's to one more lap around the track. But you have dies for all of the images and all of the sentiments. And then I made a 5x7 here, and he's popped up, and it does have some newer embellishments. Let me pull those out. These are the Lucky Heart embellishments. I like those a lot. Super fun. Next up, we're going to stop in on the stencils, and what I have are these two. So this one is the checkered background. It's just, you can use it on its own. And I did use it on this card, but I did combine it with our checkered background add-on hearts. So you could use this one by itself and just have the checkers. You could use this one by itself and just have the hearts and the X's, or the hearts or the X's, but they work really well together, as you can see. So I will be using those stencils a lot. All right, then we have a bunch of dies. Excuse me. So first up, I have the cut and foil. This one is the Happy New Year. And I did not get a chance to make anything with this one, but I am sure that I will because, you know, it's actually, considering how crazy the holidays get, you know, I never really have a chance to make New Year's cards. So I'm really excited to be able to make some of these. So that is that die. We also have the mini lantern, or mini paper lantern. And this one is going to look kind of confusing when you just see it. I didn't get a chance to make anything with it, but I definitely will. It is going to make like a little like Chinese lantern. It's super, super cute. I would highly suggest you go back to the Trinity stamp store and just click on this image, you know, click on the product, and you will see some amazing examples done by the design team using this product. I cannot wait to play with it. I wish that I had had time. These holidays were so crazy. We hadn't seen our son in 6 months and he was able to come home. So very excited about that. And then, you know, so I just took that time to be with family. So, all right. Next up, we have some dies. We've got 3 different heart dies, and I went ahead and just put them in one of the packet or the pockets that Trinity Stamps carries. These are the long ones, and it works perfect in there. And then I have all of them. Well, actually, this is 4 dies, but then I have all of them in there at once. So we've got our Swirly Heart. I did make something with this one. I made a tiny little 4x4 shaker, and I love it. I absolutely love it. Just love it. I don't know. I just think that one is super fun. And I did pair it up with one of the older Simply Sentimental. So if you don't have this one, go snag it. It's great for any time, not just Valentine's. Sprinkled with love. I mean, who wouldn't? That doesn't have to be Valentine's. It could be any time, made with love. So love this one. And then that uses that one. And it's 2 separate pieces, technically. And this whole one is, it looks like it would die cut the center out. You know, if you just use this first die, let me show you. If you just use this, it looks like it would die cut that out, but no, it doesn't, and just embosses that edge. So that's where this comes in. It die cuts out the center if you want the center die cut out. So just keep that in mind. All right. And it's the same for all of them, I believe. And then we have, this one is the Dainty Heart. I don't have one for this one, but this is a foil. It's a cut and foil. Now, when you get your die, these 2 are going to be together. I went ahead and just taped mine together just to show you, but they'll say love you. And so this one's really, really cute. Then we have our row of hearts. And I do have an example for this one. I used all of the new, well, I shouldn't say all. I used a bunch of the heart embellishments, at least the ones that I have. And I just die cut this down, a 5x7 card. Again, matched it up with our Simply Sentimental Love. And pulled in, like I said, for each row I used a different heart embellishment. And I just thought that was a fun card to make. My goodness. Then our next up is our Racetrack Heart. You saw that one earlier on here. So this one does die cut both. You get the Racetrack, and then you also get this heart. So these do cut both out, as you can see. And I think that's super cute. So that takes care of all those 4 dies. Then we have some cut and foil. And I didn't get a chance to play with these ones, but I'm already going to be playing with this one for next week. This one is our Sakura Blooms, and it comes with 2 blooms that you will foil. And the design team has some beautiful stuff with these. And then keep in mind when you foil, you can use like your colored pencils. You can use Copic markers if you're careful about the edges, you know, not going over a whole lot of the foiled edge because, you know, the Copic might distort the foiling. But, and then you can die cut that out and you can add those to different places. So it's not just, you know, wherever. I think this one is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I can't wait to play with it. So keep an eye. And then the last one that I have is this Love Heart. And I think this is another one that even though it's perfect for Valentine's Day, I mean, love. We should be sharing love with our loved ones all year round. So it just says love all over the heart, and it'll foil out all those words and some hearts. And then you can die cut that out if you want to. But I'm excited to play with that one also. And again, don't have any example for that one per se, but just the holidays were crazy. They were crazy. So, But let me pull in some of the embellishments that I have. You've already seen our Lucky Heart. You saw our Good Fortune. You saw this one, which is the Wishing Happiness. We also have, now these are, it's just beautiful, shimmer hearts. Ugh, they're really pretty. We also have these ones, which are the happy face hearts. So it's a little pink heart with a happy face. We have this one, which is the Be Mine embellishment mix. So it's like little conversation hearts without the conversation, but it's all the pastel colors of those. And they're all really cute, tiny little hearts. We also have, excuse me, also recovering from an illness, rose red hearts. So you've got some beautiful red hearts. Then I also have 3 other embellishments to share with you as I make a mess on my table. No, actually I have 5 more that I have. We also have the bokeh heart, which these are super pretty. They're like iridescent tiny hearts. You get 2 different sizes in there, so that's great. Then I've got these powder pink hearts. Love those. They're so pretty. We also have the Bitty Charms. So these are like stars and circles and hearts and all different colors. Really pretty. The Clover Cluster, which are obviously some 4-leaf clovers, perfect for, you know, St. Patrick's Day and lucky. And then we also have Wrapped Candy. So those are iridescent little pieces of candy. And so those are the embellishments that I have that are new, and excited to play more with these. All right, so let me pull in again all those cards that I made. I would love to know which one was your favorite of these, or which product is your favorite. If you have a favorite product that came out, what you plan to go shopping, if you plan to go shopping, you know, what you have to have. But yeah, I would love to know. All right, leave that down in the comment section down below, like and subscribe, and you will see more fun things that I make with all the new products. All right, thanks guys, see you soon. Bye.